Well, hello, friends. I thought we'd do a little train running. Just getting a little tired of the DCC locomotive, but I think we're doing pretty good. And I got some lights that um, on some cars that are working. I can't wait to hook up the rest of those cars.
There, look what I found.
Oh, we got another package, huh?
Can I open it?
Yeah. Do you want to open it at the table? All right, my friends, if you'd like to watch Michelle open this package, keep watching, and we're going to do that right after these messages.
Hello, I'm back. I found this package on our front porch. So, Michael said I get to open it.
They said you had to sit down at the table because of the specific reason.
Yeah, he said I have to sit down at the table. I don't know why, but we'll find out. It's just like Christmas every time. What's in here?
Do not look at the packaging slip. Bypass it.
Oh, look at that.
Don't look at that.
What is this? What I think it is?
Get the box off the table. There you go.
Is this what I think it is? Actually, can you use some scissors? Oh my
Still need
goodness.
scissors?
Yeah. Oh, it's in scale something. What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, baby, you got it! Ah! Oh, how cute! Oh, it's a little engine.
What kind?
It is a steam train. Steam engine.
What does it say on the back of the box?
Bachman. And, oh, it makes noises. It says sound, DCC. DCC, sound value on board. Oh, wow. That is adorable. Oh, wow.
And it's in the jewel case.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's awesome. What's this? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is...
Keep it in the jewel case for now.
Another engine.
A Union Pacific. Why is it a Union Pacific? Tell them why.
Because Michael used to work for UP. And that's the same color engine that he used to run. Right?
Yep. And it's exactly like the locomotive I used to run on, too.
So is this DCC?
What does all that say?
Let's read it.
Let's put the jewel case back on it.
I got it. New Paragon, is that how you say it?
Mm-hmm.
New Paragon 3 Sound and Operation System featuring Rolling Thunder. Oh, wow. Operation in both DC and DCC environments. Wow. Beautifully detailed, accurately modeled locomotive. Authentic design, paint and color schemes. Authentic prototypically? Is that how you say that?
Prototypical.
Typically.
Prototypical.
Typically.
Prototypical.
Why?
Prototypically?
Yes. Accurate diesel sounds. Wow. Prototypical operation. Many automatic and ambient sound effects. Wow. Superb slow speed operation with enhanced back EMF. What's EMF?
I don't know, I'll have to read it.
Many separately applied details. Constant intensity directional lighting. Oh. Strobing Mars light where applicable. I wonder what that is. Strobing Mars light, huh?
We won't take them out of the jewel cases until we get the controller that we need.
Can you see it good on that camera?
Yeah, I'll bring the camera closer.
That is adorable.
Let me drop it down.
Wow, I'm so excited. There it is. Can you see it good?
Yeah.
Alright, folks, that's the one engine.
Show them the other one up close again.
And this is my favorite, the steam engine. That is awesome, baby. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Definitely like Christmas.
So my friends, until the time comes and we are able to get our DCC twin controller, we will let you know, and we'll let you watch these run on the train layout. We did order it, but it is like in back order. It's been in back order for 2 months now. So we are recording this video on April 18th. April 19th, 2021. So we are still waiting for our DCC controller. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.